touch him?
Huh?
You gonna touch him? Touch that frog. Touch him.
Careful.
What happened? What happened?
Touch him.
What'd that frog do?
No, frog, don't touch me. That's owie. Oh,
That frog is cold. He just woke up from his long winter nap. He's too cold to even jump.
no, frog, don't give me.
He's not going to get you.
Come
Go
here,
touch him.
Will you touch him?
I can't push him.
You can just touch him. Just come here and touch him. Just go boop. Say, hey, frog.
Hi, frog.
Hello, frog.
Hi.
What's a frog say?
What's that?
You want to touch him?
Here you go, Mommy.
Mommy's not going to touch him. No, don't. No.
Froggy.
Mommy doesn't want to touch him.
You touch him.
Say, give him back to Dada.
Oh, Daddy.
You touch him.
Oh. Oh, Daddy.
You don't want to touch him? Bring him over here. Bring him over here. Say, hey, frog.
Hi, frog.
Hello, frog.
Hi, frog.
Say, hello. Good frog.
Good frog.
Good frog.
Good
Good frog. See, he's not so bad. Good frog. Say hello, frog. Wanna go jump? Say, this frog just woke up from his winter's nap. Should we take him back outside?
No.
Yes.
Should we take him and let him go? So he can make bunches and bunches of other frogs?
Where's him? Yeah.
Hey, frog. Good frog.
Good frog.
Good frog. What'd he say? What'd that frog say?
Huh? Huh? I like
The frog wants some ice cream.
No!
Yeah.
I want to die. Ah!
Did he move? Uh-oh. Don't hit him. Don't hit him.
Come here. Let's have a frog. Let's set on a paper towel.
Yep. Let's take the frog.
There he
back
goes.
outside.
You're hot.
Uh-oh.
You missed him.
Oh, what'd he do? Would he jump? Will he jump? What's that frog do? You see him? He's cold. He's cold.
Go, frog. Go. You run?
I hear the frog. Should we take this frog back outside? Did you see him jump? Did you see him jump? That's all he's got the energy for. You see him making noises with his little thing. take him back outside. We're going to take him back outside and let him go.
Never say